Hi guys, welcome to another SMT tutorial video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to navigate through the Zashi app, basically how to swap and how to send tokens on the Zashi app. So Zashi app is a secure crypto wallet that is designed to manage digital assets, especially Zcash. It lets you send, receive, and swap tokens while keeping your transactions private and fully under your control. So in this tutorial, I'll just put you through how to swap and send Zcash from your Zashi app. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find our content helpful, you can support our channel by buying our educational token, Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. Right, in the description, you will find the contract address of Wiki Cat. Right, so let's dive right into this tutorial. So as you can see, I already downloaded and installed the Zashi app on my phone. So if you do not have the app in your phone, you have to go over to your Play Store or your App Store and download and have it installed in your phone. So after downloading, you'll have to set up your wallet. So I'm just going to open the app. Right, so if you do not have a wallet, just select create new wallet. If you already have an existing wallet, select restore existing wallet. So we're going to select create new wallet, and now we have our Zashi wallet created. So you can go over to advanced settings for your seed phrase and copy and save them in a secure place. All right, so let's go back. So this is what the Zashi wallet looks like, and it's quite easy sending and receiving tokens on the Zashi wallet, just like every other kind of wallet, right? If you want to receive token, select receive, and then you'll be presented with two addresses, one a transparent address and the other a shielded address. So a shielded address allows you to receive tokens anonymously, meaning that the details of the transactions will not be made available to the public, while a transparent address is like a normal address, right? The details of the transactions will be made available and can be seen by the public. So depending on what you actually want, if you're looking to keep your transaction private, you want to keep a low profile, you can use a shielded address. If not, you can just use a transparent address. And it also depends on the app from where you're sending your Zcash. If it doesn't support a shielded address, you'll have to use a transparent address. So whichever of the addresses that you want to use, just copy the address. Copy if you want to use a shielded. If you want to use a transparent address, that's a regular address, just select QR code and then copy your address. Then send over to your sender or to whatever app from where you'll be sending out your tokens. So that's basically how to receive tokens on the Zashi app. If you want to send tokens, it's pretty much easy. Select send, impute the Zcash address, that's the address of your recipient, and then impute the amount of Zcash that you want to send, and then just continue and complete your transaction. So that's basically how to send Zcash on Zashi wallet. All right, so on Zashi wallet, there is this function called CrossPay, right? So CrossPay allows you to send your Zcash as other tokens. So say you have some Zcash, you have some ZEC tokens in your wallet, and you want to send out some other tokens like USDT, right? So CrossPay allows you to pay your Zcash for other tokens, right? So you pay your Zcash and your Zcash is sent as other tokens to your recipient wallet. All right, so when you select pay, you see the CrossPay interface. First off, select the token you want to send out, right? So say I want to send out USDT on Near network. Input the address of your recipient and then input the amount of USDC you want to send. So say I want to send 10 USDC. So you can see that I'll be paying 0.023 in ZEC tokens, right, to send out 10 USDT to my recipient. So once you've gotten this all set up, just continue and complete your transaction. So that's basically how to use the CrossPay feature on the Zashi app. All right, so another feature is a swap feature. So with the swap feature, you're able to swap your ZEC token to other tokens, right? And remember that the Zashi app do not support any other token, meaning that whatever you're swapping your ZEC token into will not be entered into your Zashi wallet. It will be sent out to an entirely different wallet, just like we saw with cross payment, right? So to access the swap function, select more and select swap ZEC. So first off, say I want to swap from ZEC to other tokens. So input the amount of ZEC that you want to swap, right? And then select what token you want to swap your ZEC to. Say I want to swap to USDT on Near Network, right? So once you input the amount of ZEC you want to swap, one, right? All right, so once you've imputed the amount of ZEC you want to swap, you'll have to paste the address, the wallet address where this token you're swapping your ZEC to will be sent. And that's basically it. Just continue and complete your transaction. So that's basically how to swap from ZEC to other tokens. If you want to swap from other tokens to ZEC, right? Just going to cancel this. So if you want to swap from other tokens to ZEC, it's also pretty much easy now, because like I said, Zashi app do not support any other token but the ZEC token. So it means that whatever token you are swapping to ZEC will not be in your wallet. You will have to be swapping from another wallet into your Zashi wallet. So let's say I have 10 USDT in another wallet. Maybe in my Near wallet, I have 10 USDT on Near Network, right? And I want to swap my 10 USDT to ZEC tokens, right? So what I'll just do is I will impute the amount of, USDT that I want to swap to ZEC tokens. And then I'll paste the address where my USDT is, right? So I'll just paste, and then it shows me the equivalent, right, of this 10 USDT in ZEC token, right, 0.0228, right? So once that is set up, I'll just select get a quote, and then I'll select confirm, right? So it gives me a wallet address. So what I'll do is I'll copy this wallet address and go over to my wallet, to the other wallet where I have my USDT, and I will send out this USDT from that wallet to this wallet address that has just been given to me. I will send out the exact amount, 10 USDT, to this wallet that I have right now displayed. And then once that is completed, I'll select I have sent the funds. So it will be confirmed. And once it is confirmed that indeed I have sent the funds, I will see 10 USDT worth of ZEC tokens in my wallet. All right, guys, so that's basically all we'll be exploring on the Zashi app in today's tutorial. So we've come to the end of the tutorial. If you have any question regarding tutorial, please drop your question in the comment section. And of course, guys, do not forget to support this channel by subscribing to our channel, liking our videos, dropping comments, and turn on your bell so that whenever we post a video, you will always get notified. Thank you for watching the tutorial video. See you in another tutorial. Bye.